Hello everyone, and welcome to my digital story for this week. Today, our topic focuses on technology and second language writing. To start, I would like to shed light on some key ideas and tools that integrate or we can use to integrate technology into language learning, especially when it comes to writing. So now, let's get started. As Reels and Tyranny 2013 put it, the integration of communication technologies with academic culture suggests that the writing habits of tomorrow's students will be navigational across myriad discourse situations that do and will yet exist. This means that students will develop writing skills that can easily adapt to various types of communication and writing styles. While current still exist, the new ones will continue to emerge over time, shaped by evolving technologies and communication platforms. As this chapter concentrates on technologies that enhance the writing process and how they are used in teaching, especially when we consider second language learners, the technologies can be grouped into three main categories. These categories are Web 2.0 application, the second one, automated writing evaluation systems, the third one, corpus-based tools. Let's now move and see each one. The first tool is Web 2.0 application. There are such tools that allow users to collaborate with others by contributing any content based on their interest, so that they can share it in such online spaces, such as Facebook or Twitter, X now, and other blogs. For the second language learners, this means that they can practice language with native speakers on real-world topics, going beyond topics only occur in the classroom. For blogs, for instance, these online platforms can offer learners the opportunity to share their experiences in writing, in which they also can receive encouragement from other people. If we consider, for instance, Reddit, this platform allows learners to ask questions, which they also can receive explanations from native speakers or any other experts in a second language. A second tool is Automated Writing Evaluation System. Based on natural language processing, NLP, these tools can provide automated feedback to second language writers, which helps them to improve their writings. Some examples can be seen in Criterion, Turnitin, and Writing Path. While these tools can be expensive, alternatives such as Grammarly can provide similar automated feedback for free or at least at a lower price. The third and last tool, which is corpus-based tools. These tools allow the students to access large collections of authentic text across different genres, giving them real-world examples of language use. This exposure is especially helpful for second language learners in improving their writings, because whenever they access to this text, they can see how the real language is used. Research has shown that these three tools have a positive impact on second language learners. I'll share with you only two. The first one, the research shows that collaborative writing using tools such as Google Documents improves learners' writing. According to Kessler, Bukowski, and Boggess, 2012, found that in a team-based project with 38 second language writers, participants focused on meaning over form. Their collaborative grammar corrections were almost accurate, which improved the quality of their writings. For the third tool, which is corpus-based tool, Garner, 2013, found that this tool helped English as second language students improve their use of academic linking adverbials, showing that direct consultations with real-world examples can lead to more accurate and effective writing. Now, I'll move and share with you my lesson plan. The topic for my lesson plan would be exploring Fanilect in language and culture. The objective here is that students will explore the concept of Fanilect by analyzing language patterns or words or phrases used in specific fan communities, such as Swifties refers to people who listen to Taylor Swift, sports fan, or Star Trek fans. So students will learn that how language creates identity and community within these groups, and so they can develop their writings or their writing projects based on their findings. Following the fourth level of SAMR, the first level would be substitution. For this task, students will search Fanilect online. By using Google Documents or Microsoft Word, the students can write or take their notes and summarize Fanilect's examples by exploring such social medias, Facebook or Twitter. And this can happen by looking for specific hashtags when they insert, for instance, Taylor Swift and etc. In this situation, we integrated technology in which we substituted that physical or traditional use of the book, and in that way, students use the computer. For the second level, which is augmentations, the students will collaborate in their writings with their peers. So students work in pairs to analyze specific examples of Fanilect, such as phrases from Taylor Swift or sports chants in a shared document. So here, the students, they use the comments features to provide their feedback, in which this will enhance their collaborations and augmenting their writing process. The third level is modifications. In this task, the students will create a presentations. So how to integrate technology, students will use tools such as Google Slides for presentations or PowerPoint to explain specific and use of phrases or sentences for the Fanilect. So they can include text or share pictures based on their research on social media. And also they can include some audio clips recording some songs so they can align with the phrases, or also any chants so that they can make their own research more engaging and vital and dynamic. The fourth and last level, which is redefinition. For this task, I prefer that, or what students have to do is that to create a digital story beyond the traditional work. So to integrate technology in these situations, students use platforms such as Canva in those situations so that they can create a digital story that narrates how Fanilect shapes identity and also create or shapes a community in a specific fandom. They also can use videos, memes, or any other interactive elements so they can redefine how this project to be delivered and so to be interacted with their peers beyond writing any typical essays in that situation. In conclusion, we can summarize our digital story by emphasizing that integrating technology is both important and essential for learning a second language. In this course, we just concentrated on integrating technology and second language writing. So throughout this lesson, we explored how